Just in time for Thanksgiving, it's time to get rid of that turkey neck. In case you didn't know what that was, it's this region right here. All right, there is a non-surgical cure for your double chin, and here to tell us how it's done is Infinity MedSpa+Wellness nurse practitioner Alissa Davis. First of all, just kind of talk to me about what this area is and why it's a problem for so many people.
Well, it kind of depends on the individual. Some people are genetically have, a little bit more fat under the chin. Other folks, it kind of fluctuates depending on weight or, whatnot. But now with Caiazzo, which is a treatment that you do injectable-wise, you can actually go in and destroy the fat cell on contact, without having to do, a major surgery.
And does it go away right away, or does it take a little while to
it
see
takes
a difference?
A little bit of time. Actually, the fat will destroy on contact pretty much, but for the body to process the fat that has been destroyed, you're actually going to take, a few weeks or so with a little bit of swelling, and then you'll notice that it goes down. It may take more than one injection, but usually you're in and out of the office in just 30 minutes.
All right, so we have a patient here, and you were kind of numbing him up before because obviously this is a needle, so it's not the most comfortable, but it is non-surgical, so you have to keep that in mind.
Right.
You're going to sort of show us how it's done, and while you're doing that, explain to me who is a good candidate. Who would this be good for?
Well, there are a few. There's a few contraindications, medically, or a few cautions that we would do. So of course we look through your medical history. Best thing to do is definitely come in and kind of get a consult, from me over at Infinity MedSpa, because I can look not only at your medical history but actually at the area. So what makes him a good candidate here is he's got a little bit of a fat pocket here. Some folks it's just more instead of fat, it's more of the skin, loose skin, and they wouldn't be necessarily the ideal candidate for it. But for someone with just a little bit of this they want to get rid of, 30 minutes in my chair, just a couple of weeks of swelling, it's a great alternative.
Okay, and you were explaining to me, because every time I see a needle like that, I think of Botox, right? But it is nothing like Botox, because Botox is complete. Just explain the difference.
Botox is actually just to relax the muscle. So this is actually fat. So we're going to target what the cause is, and this is going to go to the fat cell, destroy the fat cell, where Botox is more to relax lines that are caused by muscle. So.
Okay. Are you okay?
No,
all
I'm
right.
having a
Okay, good. All right. Every time I see needles, so you can scream if you need to. It's all right. Or if it doesn't hurt at all.
yeah. Well, it's not really. It's.
So there's a certain amount, depending on how much area needs to be sort of killed. I guess you want to kill the fat cells.
Exactly.
So you can tell once you have your consult with someone to see how much fat cells need to die.
Right. That's correct.
And I see you're putting it in sort of different sections. That's on purpose,
it's
so
nice
it's spread.
and even.
Okay.
Yes, which is a great thing too, because you can get a nice, pretty, like tapered, look and everything as well. So it's, it's not anything that usually people will describe it. Sometimes you feel it right then, sometimes it takes, about 5 minutes, but they'll describe it kind of like a little toothache or something that's usually no more than a 2 out of 10 on a pain scale. So, and that dissipates within, 30 minutes to an hour anyways.
Interesting.
So you feeling anything now, or?
I didn't feel it at all.
All right, quick and easy. All right, there's your solution for turkey neck. Thank you so much, Alissa. We appreciate it. Good to see you guys. We'll be right back after the break.